The ad war between Sebamed and HUL continues in court, and from what we understand, there is a huge setback that has come in for Hindustan Unilever. The Bombay High Court has allowed Sebamed to continue airing ads which compare the pH level of Sebamed to HUL soap. The only point of contention for Bombay High Court was a comparison between HUL soaps and Rin detergent. So remember, there were ads that were put out by Sebamed where they said that the pH level of their soap stands at 5.5, while Dove is a higher pH level at 7, and in fact they had gone to the extent of saying that the pH level of Pears, Lux as well as Santoor, which is owned by Wipro Consumer, their pH level at 10 is equal to a pH level of a bar of Rin detergent. Now what has happened finally in the court is that Bombay High Court has said that any ad which compares Rin with the HUL soaps should not be put out, should not be aired. They have given 10 days to Sebamed to pull down the hoardings, but all other platforms, the ads should be taken down immediately. Bombay High Court, though, has not put any restraint on ads that are comparing Sebamed soaps with HUL soaps or with any other soap. So if the Rin comparison is removed, Pears and Lux and Dove can be continued to mention in Sebamed's ads. So that is a setback that has come in for HUL. Of course, there is relief in the fact that you cannot continue to compare HUL soaps with a bar of detergent. So that is one relief that has come in. Remember, the Bombay High Court had passed an ex parte interim order where Sebamed was not present, where they had restrained all of Sebamed's ads till further arguments are heard. And when the arguments had been heard, Sebamed made the point that they are only saying the truth about pH levels in these soaps. They're only saying that the pH level of a bar of Rin is equal to the pH level of a bar of Pears or Lux. They're not trying to say that they're the same soap. So that was the argument made by Sebamed. HUL, on the other hand, had said that Sebamed's ad is just denigrating their product, their brands. The idea of these ads is to pull down their products and not really market Sebamed's products as such. So that is what HUL had said. And they had also said that by merely comparing pH levels, you're not really taking into consideration the entire formulation of a soap. And that's a really bleak comparison is what HUL had put forth. But after listening to both these arguments, the Bombay High Court has said that they are vacating their order of restraining the ads completely when it comes to Dove. But there is a modification in terms of removing Rin and airing or pushing out ads related to Pears or Lux. So well, that is one setback, but what we understand from sources is that HUL is likely to challenge this order. This order was passed by a single judge bench at the Bombay High Court. It's possible that HUL will now move a divisional bench of Bombay High Court, and we reached out to HUL. The written order is yet to come out as we are reporting on this, and HUL has said that they are awaiting a copy of the order which should be out anytime today. But at this point in time, of course, Sebamed can continue to use other brands to compare their pH levels with Sebamed's pH levels as far as there is no mention of Rin involved.